Hey guys, so I just filmed my explanation video, which you should be seeing before this one because I'm going to put up my explanation today, and this one you should see tomorrow. So tomorrow as in January 5th, I believe. So I'm going to film you guys on my last video that I did of the outfit that Nadine West sent to me, the company Nadine West. You guys requested me to keep getting those outfits and keep doing videos and reviews on it to let you guys know if it's worth the quality. So of course I got another outfit for you guys, and I'm here to show you everything and the pricing and explain to you in detail if I think it's worth it or not. And yeah, so I'm excited to share this video with you guys again because you guys requested it. And so let me just briefly, for the people who didn't see my other video, I'll link it down below. Go ahead and watch that one first. But for this one, I'm just going to give you a brief explanation on what I talked about in the last video. This company reached out to me. It's called Nadine West, and it's a company that sends you outfits monthly, kind of like the, now I can't remember the name of the box, Stitch Fix, and they send you an outfit monthly depending on your style, and they ask you a few style questions, kind of like if you've ever done Just Fab or Fabletics or Shoedazzle, anything like that. They kind of ask you style questions, and then they send you things kind of to your style. And like this is unknown. With Just Fab, you pick what you want. So this is like kind of a secret. So to me, that's kind of really fun because it's unknown. And the way it works is they send you a whole outfit and accessories, and then you keep what you like. You only pay for what you like. So it's free at first. And then if you like the whole outfit, you pay the full total. Let's say your total is 89 bucks. I think that was my other one. It was like 89 bucks. You pay the full 89 bucks. If you only want to keep the sweater, and the sweater was $17, you send everything back and you pay $17 just to keep that sweater. So I do think that's really cool that you're not stuck paying like the full 89 bucks even if it doesn't fit or you don't like it. I think it's cool that you can really choose what you want and what you want to keep. So I really do like that. So I have the package here for you guys. And also what's really cool is she sends you the return slip and everything, and they tell you just to ship it right back in this pink bag. So you don't even have to worry about shipping or anything like that, crazy packaging or anything. They send it all inclusive to you. So this is Nadine West. Again, they do send me the outfits, but I'm not getting paid to do these videos. These are just my real, down pink. These are just my real opinions and honest answers on these products. They are not paying me to do this, just sending me the free outfits, right? So they send you this little slip that has, let me make sure my address is on here. Okay, so this just has the list of the products and the prices, so I'm going to read those off to you as I go through every product. So they do send it to you. I did kind of peek already, guys, sorry. They do send it to you in this, like it'll be wrapped in this. The clothing and accessories will come in this little tissue, but I already looked through that, and then it was in this really cute, not cute, I don't know what I'm saying cute, I'm meaning like, I mean the word like, I don't know what I mean right now. If you watched my previous video, you know I've been sick, okay? It's just, like, tight to me. Like, I don't like packages that are all over the place, messy. Your shirt comes unfolded. So it's really organized is, I guess, the word I wanted. I just almost knocked over all my makeup brushes. Okay, so the first thing on the list is the top. It's a fuzzy mauve sweater, which is actually cute. Oh, it's soft. Okay, so this is the top they sent me. So it's like this mauve, it's kind of a gray purple tone sweater, and it's got this really cute detail on the back. I believe that's the back. I mean, I guess you could wear it backwards if you want, and that could be the front. I guess it's up to you because I don't see a tag. Let me see where the tag is to see if that's the front or the back. Oh yeah, so this is the back, but you could wear it in the front if you'd want to. I don't know. Personal preference. It is really soft. It's like a little see-through, but it's supposed to be like you can see my hot pink nail but no other nails. You know what I'm saying? It's not too see-through that you're going to see any undergarment or anything like that. It feels like a nice quality. It's thick. It feels like it would keep you warm if you put a little tank top and a denim jacket under it and over it. So they claim this is $27.49. I think that's pretty average for a sweater. A sweater runs you about 20-25 bucks. So I think this is really cute. I'm excited to wear it, and I do get the size small in everything. So yeah, this is cute. The next thing is bottoms, return of the jegging. So these are funny because I remember in middle school I used to wear these all the time, and I'm actually going to try these on like right after this video. And let me know if you guys want. I'm going to do it different this time. Last time in this video, I uploaded pictures of me wearing the outfit so you guys could see it. Let me know. I'm not going to do that in this video. Let me know down below if you guys want the pictures or no pictures of me wearing it, okay? And I'll do it whichever way you guys want from here on out. So these are actually jeggings. Like, they're leggings, so they're super stretchy. These should be a size small, I believe. Size small, medium. They're 60% cotton, so they shouldn't shrink. And she just puts her own little tag on them. So as you can see, it says Nadine West. So they just look like jeans, but they're not jeans. So they're just really cool. And it's so funny because I used to wear these all the time in middle school. Like, are these really coming back? Let me know. I don't know. But yeah, so they look like jeans. So it's awesome that they stretch and they fit. I like how much stretch they have. I like that they won't shrink. They look like they're even high-waisted because look how long that top is. And yeah, they're really thick. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're even lined on the inside, which is really nice. The waistband is super thick, and they say that these are $22.99. I would say yes. I think I remember back in the days paying at least 15 bucks for these. So, I mean, that was probably over 10 years ago. And I would say now they'd probably cost you about 19 bucks, $19.99. So I'd say it's a couple dollars high for normal retail, but it is shipping free to your house and everything like that. So I don't know. I guess you can include shipping if you'd like. So these are the pants they sent. And then the next thing is the leg warmers. So she did send these really cute, like, they are boot socks. So you put them in the top of your Ugg boot or something, and you would see these little buttons poking out. And so these are super cute. I love leg warmers. I think over top of jeans, they're really cute. Let me take them out. Can I get them out of this package? They say that these are $12.99, which I would say is spot on. That's about how much you'll pay anywhere. I mean, I guess at Walmart or something, you could probably get them for like 8 bucks. But these $12.99 sounds pretty good to me. So I'm trying to get them out of this package. Okay. I didn't want to rip them because they're knitted. So let's take them apart. Oh my gosh, they're like, I hate when they put those little tags on everything. So this is both of them. I think they're super cute. Like, just imagine this with a jean and a little booty, like a little ankle booty. I think these are super cute. I think they match a bunch of outfits. Would I per se wear these with the jeggings they sent? No. But I would love to wear them with like a super cute thick sweater and a scarf and make it all warm and cozy. And it's perfect for right now because it is freezing in Florida. I woke up this morning and it was 29 degrees in Florida. Excuse me, who, what, where, why? It's Florida, okay? So anyways, these are cute, $12.99. I'd say that's a good deal. So then they did send accessories. And the first accessory is earring hoop silver. They say these are $15.99, and each accessory will come in its own cute little bag. So I'm not a huge fan of tiny hoops like this. Like, these to me are super tiny, and I would never wear something as small as this. I prefer bigger earrings. But most people don't wear huge hoops like me. Most people would enjoy a medium hoop. I would say this is medium. This isn't tiny by all means. But it is, I like the detail. It has a really cool, it almost looks like tires to me. Like, it looks like tire tracks. I don't know if that's me. Again, doesn't really go with the sweater leg warmer look, but this would be super cute with like a leather jacket kind of look. And then the next thing is the I Love You bracelet. Oh, and those hoops are supposed to be $15.99. Did I say that? And then the next thing is the I Love You bracelet. And this, again, I think this whole outfit just kind of has like a middle school, like when I was in middle school theme. And it kind of just brings me back because I wore these bracelets in middle school all the time. So it's one of those bracelets, like this with jeggings, like, girl, yes, please bring me back to like, when was I in middle school? 2008 maybe? It's just like one of these little chain links where you put this end and it kind of just goes like this. This is too big for me on my wrist. Like, it would just fall off if I wear it. But I can probably, if I try, I can take a little wire cutter and these little metal frames can be bent and I can take a few links out and it will fit perfect. So you can always adjust jewelry. 90% of the time, jewelry is fixable. So they claim this is $13.99. I would say I would probably pay like $8 to $10 for this. I don't think I'd pay $14 for this, but again, shipping's probably all inclusive. I'm not sure if she charges you for shipping. I know for me, if you guys check the description box, I have a free shipping code down below. It is the code Nadine, Nadine. And so I guess maybe that's why. So then last thing is the necklace, elephant watching. This is actually really cool. I already snuck a look at this. And this necklace is super long, so it'll hang like almost to my belly button. I know you guys can't see, but look how long this is. This is like at least a 12-inch on one side. So it's probably a 24-inch drop, maybe. And it is this super detailed. Look at this elephant necklace. Like, look at that, okay? And then it's a real locket. Like, you push the bottom down here, and it opens up like this, and it's like this really cool magnifying glass. Like, look at my backdrop behind me. Or, like, even my hand, look. Super cool, right? Like, it's just something, it's kind of like a conversation piece. It's kind of just something that catches people's attention that's so different. I actually really love this. I think if you had like a really boho outfit on, like a flowy dress and some sandals, lace-up gladiator sandals, and something super cute like this, it would just be a real conversation. So I actually really love this. And this is supposed to be $29.99, which I believe, because this looks like, this isn't anything you get at Forever 21. This isn't anything that looks like you get it at Claire's. Like, this looks like a boutique kind of style. This looks like something you're walking downtown and it's a booth and you buy it from this old lady who knits booth. Like, this is what that looks like, right? So that's everything they sent me. So I got leg warmers, jeggings, a sweater, a necklace, earrings, and a bracelet, and the total was $123.44. So taxes, residents will be charged sales tax. We don't like it either. So you also get charged tax, okay? So so then there's also a refund date. So like, I would have missed my refund date. She did send this to me around Christmas time. And unused labels by January 1st of 2018 cannot be returned. So like, I would not be able to be returned. Oh, here, no shipping fees ever. No risk, completely free. Dibs on new stuff, special offers, surprise freebies, and awesome support. And that's if you're a Nadine West VIP. So I'm on beginner level. And yeah, so here's her info, and of course I'll have a link down below to her website in the description. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's all pretty spot on for, like, I'm thinking like places I go. I'm not thinking like boutique prices. I'm thinking like Marshalls. I'm thinking Ross. I'm thinking Walmart. Places that average people go to, like me. I go to those places. I don't go to Urban Outfitters. I don't go to Bloomingdale's. I'm not thinking those kinds of prices. I'm thinking Marshalls and Ross and things like that, where everybody can go, everybody can shop, everybody can afford. So a whole outfit for $120, is that normal? I don't know personally, because I don't buy a whole outfit together, but if I break down individual prices, it all looks pretty normal. I would say the top is about $2 high, and the necklace is maybe a couple dollars high, but nothing like, oh my god, they're charging me $49.99 for this necklace, or $32.99 for leg warmers. So I think it is all really good priced. It's shipped to your house. No stress. It's an outfit every month. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to keep doing these videos for those people who wanted me to keep doing it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy these videos. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.